Welcome back to Walletopia. Not to be confused with the Nomad, the Nomatic wallet is another take on the quick access band wallets. There's tweaks to these things all over the place. So this is the Nomatic. It is a slim band type wallet. So let's open it up. Comes in this nice packaging here. Tear this open. We'll get into it here, or not. All right. This looks to be clever packaging. I love it when manufacturers do something clever and they put thinking into their packaging. So it's Nomatic wallet, provides some instruction out of the gate. You pull this up here, and obviously that's where you get your card. Nice. Open this up further. Gives you a description of the instructions on the different slots that you have here. This is really well done. Great packaging. Nice. And the wallet itself. So I did pull the strap, which gives us a 20% off card. Promo code Nomatic20. You can use it. And here we go. So we have a card in there. This should go down all the way. Let's get a quick look. So it is all elastic, both in the pull strap as well as the body of it. Seems to be a nice, strong elastic there. Now for a feature review of the Nomatic band wallet. All right, the Nomatic band wallet, as we see here, it is all elastic. And we can see that it has a card slot here on the front bottom. So it has a bottom piece which comes up and then hits this wraparound strap here. So that's where cards have a backstop. We flip it over, or actually we don't flip it over, we flip it this way. We can see that this is where we have the main card slot right here. And this is what functions with this pull strap. So if we push down, you can see that it has its backstop right here on this pull strap. And this is where cards are actually pulled out. And then of course when they're pushed back in, that's where they go. And that is a quick review of the features of the Nomatic band wallet. Now for the card and cash insertion test. All right, as a minimalist carry option, I think 3 cards in here is really good. 5 is within reason. We put 5 in here, and the company recommends you can put 4 to 14 in here. Now we also put in 5 slips of cash folded over twice. That will also work with foreign currencies. Not a problem there at all, so I really wouldn't be too concerned about it. Now from a quality perspective, there's some concerns about this. If you look at the sewing here really closely, we've got 2 butt ends that are on this, and it's already kind of starting to fray a bit, and I'm really not sure about how that is going to hold out. It has a little bit of a flap on this side to connect to the strap from this leather, but it's just, aesthetically it just doesn't look very good either. There have been reports that the elastic itself has been starting to fray, but it's just a concern that we have there. This looks more like really a difficult choice of materials to use for this than really the concept of the design. The design on this is, I think, just fine. It's really the choice of materials. Now the pricing on this is $20. Maybe a little high, but fair, and it's very typical for this kind of and type of wallet. Usability is simple. There's really 2 slots in here, one that functions with the pull tab and another for storage for any additional cards, cash, or anything else you want to put in there, because the tension of this is really what holds it together. From a measurements, it's 4 by 3 by 0.2, weighs 15 grams. Now, there are concerns about the ability to hold fewer cards, that if you do put fewer cards in here, that they would fall out. Let's try this with just 1 card to see what we'd have here. So we have 1 card in here, and really 1 card in here just seems to be fine. I don't have any issues with that. So I'm sure that maybe after a while, if it starts to stretch, that if you go back, it's maybe similar to leather, that you'd have cards that were starting to come out. But other than that, not really a problem. And so outside of fraying of the material, which may be a problem initially, and I'm sure the eventuality of that will be there, it's actually kind of a fun wallet and very easy to use. Now for the final score. For quality, a 2, price, a 3, features, a 3, usability, a 4, and perception, a 3. And that gives us a final score of 30 out of 50. You heard it. Not a bad wallet. Check it out in the notes below if you're interested. Otherwise, keep watching the videos. Look at these. Put some questions down below if you have them. We love to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.